bodies are made up of. Now my friend is going to talk about spectrum.
Spectrum can be divided into two parts. The first is the visible spectrum, which can be viewed through the spectroscope. This consists of the 5 colors required, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, red, and yellow. Then the second part is the invisible spectrum. This cannot be viewed even through a spectroscope. This contains of many rays like UV rays, gamma rays, and etc. All spectrum is a type of electromagnetic radiation. Now I am going to talk about how to make a spectroscope. First, take a box and cover its inside with a black cover. Then seal the corners to make it light proof. Then make a cut to one side of the box. This will be your viewing slit. Directly opposite to the viewing slit, make a 45-degree slit in which the CD is attached such a way that the shiny metallic part is overlooking the viewing slit. Now cut a slit directly above the CD. This will allow the light to fall on the CD, and the CD will reflect the light into the viewing slit, allowing us to see a spectrum. My friend Yashasvi is going to explain how this happens. Here you can see a spectroscope without the top on.
Now the CD which is placed inside has tiny grooves with protective layer of shiny plastic coating. Now when the light enters from the top hole and strikes the CD, it is reflected in such a way that the white light breaks down into its constituent colors, and we can see it through the viewing slit as a spectrum. Therefore, different light sources have different wavelengths of spectrum. Now, these are luminous objects and their spectrums. This is the sun, and as we know, its spectrum contains its visible spectrum contains the 7 colors required: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And here is the spectrum of a CFL bulb. As you can see, the spectrum of the CFL bulb is very prominent. All the colors of the spectrum don't merge with each other. In the case of candle, the red is the most prominent color spectrum, and in the incandescent bulb, blue and red are the most prominent.
So I see through this.
Once again, sir, you have to keep it here.
Okay.
Come, Kanna.
The CFL, the colors don't merge.
It's okay. Carefully when you dispose the match, burnt match. Catch the candle, double.
The purpose of the circuit is like when government
Here, red is the most prominent class.
now my friend focused on a light emitting body. This non-light is disrupted, so we can see a clear spectrum. Next is the emission spectrum. In this there is a gas of there's just a gas before the light emitting body, and then the spectroscope is focused on the gas cloud away from the light emitting source. In this, most of the light is absorbed, so we can see a dull spectrum. Next is the absorption spectrum, in which there is a glass cloud obstructing the path between the spectroscope and the light emitting source. In this, some light is absorbed, so we cannot see a continuous spectrum. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I have a question. You said the scientists or astrologers, they use spectrum to experiment
What
space.
celestial bodies are?
So what is that spectrum? It is visible spectrum or invisible?
Visible spectrum.
Visible spectrum.
Invisible spectrum, we cannot see whatever we do.
Okay. How is it used? Can you tell me what was the application? How they had used the visible spectrum to...
It is used by chemists to view molecular structures. So
So they can because since each element has different molecular
In
structures.
space,
In space, they can same way.
Because light does not need any medium for traveling. So with the help of the spectrum, they can know what the object is made of.
Because same, they can find what the molecular structure of the object. Same way, and find what the celestial body is made up of.
to study the substance of celestial bodies.